Hello students, how are you all? In today's physical session, I'm here with some brain gyms. So in first exercise, what you have to do students, firstly you have to show your 5 fingers from your right hand and 1 finger from your left. Then you have to make this punch and then this means 5 fingers from your left, then 1 finger from your right, and this you have to try to do fast. So let's start doing. Now comes to another exercise. For this, what you have to do, you have to cross your hands and this grip you have to make. Then this will come like this, and now you have to make finger movement. Firstly this thumb, then another thumb, this thumb, then pointer, then this pointer, then middle. Actually I am unable to show you. Then this, then this, then this. So in this manner I did motions in my all 10 fingers. Now comes to another one. What you have to do, point out your pointer. You have to do like this, one, and its position must be in equal to the gap which is between the eyes. See, 1, 2. And while doing this exercise, you have to look at the tip of the finger. So let's start doing fast. So students, these were some brain gems which helps you to make your brain more sharper. After doing this, what you have to do, you have to show counting 2 by your both hands finger, but different fingers will be there. Suppose this time you are showing 2 numbers by these fingers, then you'll show the same counting but using another fingers. This time I use this. Suppose this time I'm using this, so this will be this. Then if I'm using these 2 fingers, then in this hand I'll be using these 2. So the same thing you have to do in fast manner. Let's see how I can do, and you have to do even in more better way. See, now both are same. Now it's over. Now come to the next one. See, by 1 finger you have to point, and this counting will keep on changing. Suppose I am pointing this time by my right hand to my left with counting 1, 1, then this 1, then this will become 2, then this will become 2, now 3, now this will also be 3. See, 3 is there. Then 4. Then this will become 4. Then this will become 5. Then this will become 5. So that's all for today's session. Wait for my next session. Till that time, bye bye everyone. Take care.